Hi friends, today we're going to do my less than 10-minute writing exercise that will improve your writing by expanding your vocabulary. I've selected 3 words for us to play around with. We're going to use each one of these words in a sentence so we can better understand them by putting them into context. I'll give you general definitions, but I've also included links below to Merriam-Webster's website where you can find the formal definitions and pronunciations. The 3 words I've selected today for us to play around with our writing are redemption, reconcile, and reconstitute. Redemption, reconcile, and reconstitute. All right, let's see what we can do with redemption. And redemption is a noun, a word that represents a person, place, or a thing, and it means the act of redeeming. After he completed a 10-year prison sentence, he wanted a life of redemption. So this fellow who served his time in prison wants to turn a corner in his life and do better and do right by society, his fellow man. He wants to be a better person. He wants redemption. He knows he can be so much better than his bad misdeeds. Anyway, let's move on to reconcile. Reconcile is a verb, an action word. It means to restore. After years of anger, blame, and mistrust, the old friends reconciled. So these old friends, you can imagine some old friends that they just kind of fall out of touch, and because of maybe they're angry about something or they fought over something, they blamed each other, there's mistrust, whatever it may be, but they finally buried the hatchet, put things to rest and said, you know what, let's put all that behind us, and we were once good friends, let's be good friends again, which is a wonderful thing. So they reconciled. Let's use reconstitute in a sentence, and reconstitute is a verb, an action word. It means to make new again. The unholy cleric poured blood over the petrified corpse to reconstitute the vampire. So you can imagine, I don't know if you've ever seen this in these vampire movies where blood is poured over some corpse of a vampire. Vampire is already sort of a corpse, but poured over a vampire to bring it back to, or reanimate it. You can't really say bring it back to life. They're technically undead, but you get the idea, to bring it, to restore it. So that's what happened. The blood was poured over the vampire and reconstituted it, making it new again, or alive again, or living again, whatever state you want to call it. Anyway, 3 wonderful, interesting words: redemption, reconcile, and reconstitute. If you're unfamiliar with these words, play around them, make them part of you so they're familiar to you and they're accessible to you when you write. If you enjoyed this writing exercise, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Happy writing.